So today's project is simple. There are only 3 parts to the build and it involves 2 angles, a 45-degree angle and a 31.5-degree angle. As usual, I'll share the cut list or the dimensions as part of this video. As I mentioned, the cuts are very simple. You can make them using a miter saw or a table saw to be safe, making the smaller pieces. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. A few weeks or so ago, I showed you how I made this jewelry organizer using a couple of angles. I'll put a link to that one in the description and you can watch that after you finish watching this one. As you can probably tell, I used wood glue and some pin nails. If you're planning on making a lot of these in a batch, it would be a good idea to make a jig that would hold the 2 boards at the angles so you can just add the wood glue and drive in the nails. And there it is, you're already done in no time. All that's left is just some good sanding, but before that, let me show you the dimensions that I used. On this piece is where the back of the device will lean against, so I have one side of it cut to a 31.5-degree angle later on. In just about half an hour, you could build up to 3 of these. As you can see, it's not just for cell phones. You can have your tablets on there or even a cheese board or cotton board. Well, maybe a cotton board is a stretch, but it depends on the size. A small size cotton board will fit just fine there. Until next time, take care and God bless. And I hope you have a tangible experience of God's love today.